Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Windows desktop feature which allows you to create virtual desktops. So let's get started. So at the bottom here you'll see this icon, and that allows you to create a different desktop. So you may have a main desktop, and then you can create a second virtual desktop which would be very different from the first desktop. So you can add different apps on the second desktop which will not appear on the first one, and vice versa. So let me show you how to do that. So just click on that icon here, then click on the plus for new desktop, and there you go. So this is a new virtual desktop. You can switch between the two different desktops just by moving your mouse here, or on the keyboard there's a shortcut. You can press Ctrl with the Windows key together and then the arrow key on the left, and then move it, and then press the right to go back into the second one. So left and right. So Control, Windows key, and then arrows left and right. So for example, if you do a lot of video conferencing using Zoom or other video conferencing tools, and you do share screen or something like that, you may want to create a second virtual desktop so that it's not showing what you were running on your main desktop, so all the different browsers, in case you may accidentally share one of those. So it's good to have this virtual desktop in Windows 11, and those are some of the benefits. There may be other benefits, such as if you're gaming and your parents want to come in and see what you're doing, you can switch between the two virtual desktops and pretend that you're actually doing your homework. Not advisable, but you never know. So those are the certain things that you can use the virtual desktop. Let me know how you use your virtual desktop by putting a comment in the below, and I'll look forward to seeing those. Now, if this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also name the virtual desktop. So for example, if you go here at the top, you can create video conference, and then this one here, main desktop, and you can create multiple one here. So just say this one streaming, and can create different ones if you really wanted to and have separate desktop. The only thing is that if you restart the computer, you will actually lose all the apps that were running in those virtual desktops. I guess one thing that maybe they can add later on is the ability to save what was running on those desktop, so that you can use it the next time that you actually turn your computer on, and you don't have to load all the apps. Just say if you are doing a streaming and you were using OBS, you can have the OBS set up exactly the way you want it on that virtual desktop, so that every time that you click on that, it's all nicely set up, so that even after you restart it, you have it the layout the way you want it, so you're ready to stream straight away. Now, if this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.